AI-powered bots are shifting the way we work, helping us streamline tasks and improve efficiency and enhance collaboration. Today, our team is sharing how we use Microsoft Copilot in our daily workflows to maximize productivity with one key question: what's your go-to Copilot prompt? Let's explore how Copilot is making an impact across different roles in our organization.
As CEO, staying informed about everything that's happening across Microsoft Teams can be a challenge. That's why my favorite Copilot prompt is: summarize the activities my Microsoft Teams channels over the past 24 hours. By setting Copilot to work mode, I can quickly review key discussions and updates and action items without sifting through endless messages. It keeps me connected with the team, and it helps me make informed decisions both effectively and efficiently.
Keeping track of lengthy email discussions can be a challenge. My favorite Copilot prompt is: summarize this email thread, capturing key points, disagreements, and consensus reached. I use Copilot in Outlook with Work Scope to extract key insights and ensure I don't miss important details. This helps me stay informed, respond efficiently, and keep projects moving forward.
Clear and effective communication with stakeholders is the key to project success. My go-to Copilot prompt is draft an email to stakeholders providing details and timelines on a project plan. I customize it by asking Copilot to include specific details like the budget, the timeline, risks, and how to mitigate those with our plan. This ensures my emails are structured, they're professional and comprehensive, and they keep all stakeholders informed and aligned on project expectations.
Tracking action items after meetings is critical for keeping projects on track. I use Copilot with this prompt: summarize a meeting, list the action items discussed and their status. I run this in Teams and ask Copilot to organize action items into a table, including owners and deadlines. This gives me a clear summary of key takeaways, responsibilities, and next steps, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks.
Setting measurable objectives is essential for performance tracking and growth. My preferred Copilot prompt is: create a set of 5 measurable objectives for this upcoming quarter for my team using the information in this planning document. I use Workscope and ask Copilot to align objectives with company goals. This translates strategic priorities into clear, actionable targets, helping the team stay focused and aligned throughout the quarter.
Turning dense information into clear, actionable insights is crucial for our marketing efforts. My favorite Copilot prompt is: create a bulleted list of the key takeaways from a presentation or document. This helps me extract the most important points from the report, slide decks, and marketing materials, making it easier to share insights with the team. It saves time and ensures that nothing critical is being overlooked. I also use the work scope to have Copilot identify content gaps and suggest any follow-up questions, which can help improve our decision-making process.
Effective communication starts with polished writing. My go-to Copilot prompt is: suggest edits to improve professionalism, tone, and clarity in this document. I use this in Word to refine my writing, ensuring my emails, reports, and blogs are clear and professional. Copilot suggestions help me enhance conciseness and maintain a professional, client-centric tone.
Staying productive starts with knowing what to focus on first. My go-to Copilot prompt is:
prioritize my tasks for the week based on urgency and importance.
I use Copilot Work tab to analyze my upcoming deadlines, meetings, and projects, helping me structure my week effectively. It suggests which tasks to tackle first, ensuring I stay on top of high-impact work while balancing urgent priorities.
Creating a well-structured presentation is essential for clear communication. My go-to Copilot prompt is: organize my presentation more effectively by adding an agenda slide, section headers, and divider slides. I use this in PowerPoint to ensure my presentations have a logical flow. Copilot automatically inserts an agenda slide, organizes content into sections, and adds dividers, making my presentations more engaging and easier to follow.
These are just a few ways our team is using Microsoft Copilot to boost productivity, collaboration, and efficiency. AI is enhancing the way we work, making it easier to stay organized and focus on high-impact tasks. How do you use Microsoft Copilot? Share your favorite prompts in the comments.